Hello everybody, it's my pleasure to be here with you today to help you fix this error message and how can you get rid of this error message to try to upgrade your system. So first of all, for those they don't know how we get this error message here, so when you try to upgrade your system for macOS High Sierra 10.13.6, in my case here, when I hit open, which I'm sure a lot of people try to do that, you get this error message. So I'm going to help you bypass this error message to install and upgrade your system. So first of all, in my case here, I have OS X Yosemite 10.10.5 and I'm trying to upgrade to macOS High Sierra 10.13.6. And to fix this issue here, first of all, before you do anything, you want to make sure you disconnect your Wi-Fi. So you want to make sure you're not connected to the internet. In my case, prior to this video, I already turned off the Wi-Fi here. Then I can show you in a minute why we disconnected the Wi-Fi. Then the next thing, you want to go to System Preference to come to this here. And for those they don't know how to go to System Preference, you want to hit your Apple logo here and go to System Preference, and from System Preference you want to choose date and time. And when you choose date and time, you want to make sure you unlock this lock here. So in my case I already unlocked that, and when you hit unlock this lock, it will allow you to edit anything on the date. And when you hit unlock, you will enter your username and your password that you use in your Mac to install any application. Then after that, you want to edit the year. So you're not able to edit the year. And before we do that, I want to show you when you hit open here, you get this error. So what you can do now, you want to change the date here. So how can you change the year? I can't highlight it. So what we can do, we uncheck that. And the only way you can uncheck that if you unlock this lock here. So you want to make sure you unlock that first. Then when you go here, you can go prior to a year, then you hit save. In that case, we went back 1 year. So I'm trying to hit open now. And the magic has happened. And that's how can we fix this issue to install the system, to upgrade from any system, from any version prior to 10.13.6 to get to this point to be able to install. And of course, after that it's very simple. You just hit install, you agree to the term, and everything's gonna work just fine. Thank you for watching and listening. Hope you guys enjoyed my video today. Please like and subscribe and share with anybody have this issue.